As we look towards the future, I envision a world where the barriers of communication and fear dissolve, allowing us to express our appreciation for one another without worry. Imagine a place where the simple act of complimenting becomes a norm, building bridges of trust and goodwill among all individuals. This newfound sense of openness will flourish, leading to a society where children can immerse themselves in the wonders of nature and creativity. Their youth will be filled with exploration, learning through experiences that shape them into well-rounded, compassionate beings. Picture a community where every person finds joy and fulfillment in their work, as we develop innovative ways to eliminate jobs that drain our spirits. In their place, we create opportunities that will align with our passions and strengths. Those who courageously take on the tasks others shy away from will be deservingly compensated, giving them the freedom to pursue their dreams more frequently. This balance will bring about a strengthened sense of purpose and happiness for all. I see the evolution of education unfolding through the establishment of exploratoriums, transforming empty spaces into vibrant centers of learning and sharing. These exploratoriums will be scattered throughout our community, inviting people of all ages and backgrounds to come together and exchange knowledge. Imagine teaching a skill you excel in at one location while simultaneously learning something new at another. The dynamic of families will transform as children witness adults learning alongside them, creating a powerful shift in how we engage and grow together. Transformative change is already on the horizon. There is a remarkable phenomenon occurring in nature as plants exhibit various stages of growth simultaneously. This unique sighting encapsulates the essence of progress and adaptation, reflecting a world in which we can coexist with our environment in harmony and mutual respect. Ultimately, I see a world where love thrives in every moment. When we experience love, joy bursts forth, enriching our lives and connections. And when love transitions, we embrace the growth and fond memory it leaves behind, taking responsibility for our part of the journey. It is through this profound acceptance and creation that we allow love to flourish continuously.